Good morning, sunshine. Welcome back to Pyramid Power, the podcast that helps you turn everyday routines into powerful learning moments. I'm your host, Miss Parsons, and I teach kindergarten at Valmead Elementary School. And today, we're tackling a time of day that can feel like a tornado in a cereal bowl. Yep, we're talking about mornings. If your mornings feel like a frantic dash to the door with tears, tantrums, and toast flying through the air, you're not alone. But don't worry, we've got tips, tools, and a little pyramid model magic to help you start the day with calm, connection, and confidence. Let's be real. Mornings set the tone for the entire day. When kids start off feeling rushed, confused, or overwhelmed, it can affect everything. School drop-off, classroom behavior, even friendships. But when mornings are predictable and positive, kids feel safe, capable, and ready to learn. That's why a solid morning routine isn't just helpful. It's transformative. Here's how the pyramid model fits in. On the bottom layer, we create a supportive environment. A calm, consistent morning routine helps kids know what to expect and feel secure. The middle layer is for teaching specific skills. Mornings are a great time to teach independence, like getting dressed, brushing teeth, and packing a backpack. The top layer is about providing individualized support. If your child struggles with transitions or sensory overload, you can tailor the routine to meet their needs. So, are you ready to make mornings smoother? Here are 6 practical strategies that you try at home. Use a visual schedule. You can use photos, clip art, or objects showing each step in the routine, such as wake up, get dressed, eat breakfast. This helps kids understand what's next. Stick to a consistent bedtime. A well-rested child is a happier morning riser. Late nights equal groggy mornings, which equals grumpy everything. Plan ahead the night before. Lay out clothes, pack the backpack, and talk about the next day. This reduces surprises and morning stress. Offer choices. You could say, first, get dressed. Then you choose cereal or pancakes. Giving kids control over small decisions builds confidence. Include bonding time. A quick snuggle, a silly song, or a shared book can turn a rushed morning into a moment of connection. Celebrate success. Positive feedback like, wow, you brushed your teeth all by yourself. Now we have time to play with trains. Builds motivation. At school, teachers use routines to help kids feel confident and ready to learn. Even though activities change, today it's painting, tomorrow it's gluing, the structure stays the same. That predictability helps kids feel safe and excited to try new things. You can mirror that structure at home. When kids know what's coming, they're less likely to resist and more likely to cooperate. Here's the big takeaway. Mornings don't have to be perfect. They just need to be predictable, loving, and filled with small wins. Every time your child gets dressed, brushes teeth, or packs a bag, they're practicing independence and building confidence. And every time you offer encouragement, connection, and calm, you're shaping their emotional foundation for the day. So tonight, plan ahead. Tomorrow morning, try one new strategy. And remember, you're not just getting out the door. You're building a lifelong skill set. Thanks for joining us on Pyramid Power. Remember, every morning is a chance to build confidence, connection, and joy. Until next time, keep the routine strong and the hearts light.